Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to start question practice series for IIT JAM 2022 chemistry examination. I will also be discussing the concepts of the question which I take in my video. So what you have to do is, when you see the question on the screen, you have to first pause the video and try the question by yourself. Then after trying, if you're getting the answer, then watch the video for seeing the approach, that what is the right approach for the question. And if you are not able to solve it, then do definitely watch the video for learning the new concept. Okay, so now here is the question in front of your screen. Pause the video and try it by yourself. Today I have taken a question, very important concept from reaction mechanism. Here the question is, basically here we have one leaving group, and here we have one nucleophile. So basically the question is of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So I hope you must have tried the question. Now moving on to the solution part. Let me take the first molecule. Here, NMe2 and OTS. So basically the point is that OTS is the leaving group, and here NMe2 and as well as OTS are in the same stereo. That means they both are above the plane, and the sigma star of the leaving group basically lies below the plane, and that means NMe2 is above the plane and sigma star is your below the plane. So here NMe2 cannot participate, and hence NGP will not occur here. Neighboring group participation will not occur here. So what will happen? This normal usual SN2 which we do will happen in this case. Okay, will happen in this case. The normal usual SN2 will happen in this case. So if I do that, if I have OAC negative, what will happen? Now this is the leaving group, so we know in SN2 inversion takes place and leaving a nucleophile attacks from behind and leaving group leaves. So basically what will be formed? We will be getting a product like this. The stereo will be changed. Inversion takes place in SN2. Remember this. Always remember this. NMe2. So this is the product which we will be obtaining in case 1. Okay. Now moving on to the second thing. Basically the second molecule. This is your NMe2 above the plane. Now the twist is that the leaving group is below the plane. If the leaving group is below the plane, the sigma star anti-bonding orbital will be above the plane. Now it is like this. NMe2 is also in the plane, above the plane, and the sigma star is also above the plane. So they both are parallel to each other. Now NMe2 can easily donate density here in sigma star, and it will show NGP, neighboring group participation. And now always remember, before the nucleophile comes and attack at the position, neighboring group participation will occur. Always remember that neighbors always interfere, neighbors always come first, and neighbors always interferes first before any outsider does. Okay, always remember neighbor will interfere first, so NGP will occur first. So in NMe2, nitrogen will donate its lone pair and OTS will leave. Okay, so minus of OTS minus. So we will be obtaining a cyclic step like this. We will be reaching to a cyclic step like this. NMe2 positive. The ring is on the above the plane, like above the plane, not on the plane, above the plane. Now when OAC minus is coming to attack, it has two probable positions to attack. This is the position number 1 and this is the position number 2. Okay, this is the position number 1 and this is the position number 2. You are getting my point? Now if I move to the other point, and get the attack done at position number 1, we get, this is your NMe2 positive, and I get my attack done at position number 1. Now here the attack is like taking place at position number 1. The attack will always be taking place from below the plane because ring is above the plane. Okay, now ring is above the plane. This will open up like this, and we will be getting a product which will be like this, NMe2, and you will be getting. The best part to notice is that here the leaving group was also below the plane and the incoming nucleophile also below the plane. The main point is in NGP the stereo is retained. Stereo is retained. I hope you must have understood the concept which I wanted to tell you. But now when the attack takes place at the second position, okay, this will be OAC negative, and now the attack will take place at the second position. Now also the attack will be from below because the ring is above the plane. Okay, now we will be getting OAC and NMe2. I hope you must have understood how we have proceeded in the question, how we moved through the question, how we approached the question. So the main point was that in the first case SN2 will be occurring and only SN2, and in the second case NGP will be occurring. Okay, NGP will be occurring. How it occurs, orbital symmetry, planarity and everything I told you. So I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Please share it with all your friends who are preparing for JAM chemistry examination. It will be helpful for everyone who is preparing for IIT JAM chemistry. Do share your reviews and comments in the comment section down below, and stay tuned for later videos on this channel. Stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.